To transfer Paysafecard to PayPal in London 2025, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a PayPal account and a Paysafecard. If you do not have a PayPal account, create one by going to the PayPal website and following the sign-up process. Next, you need to find a website that allows you to exchange Paysafecard for PayPal. There are several online platforms that offer this service, such as online marketplaces or exchange websites. Research and find a reputable website that has good reviews and a high success rate. Once you have found a suitable website, create an account and verify your identity. This is a necessary step to ensure the security of your transaction. After verifying your account, navigate to the exchange section of the website and select Paysafecard as the payment method you want to exchange. Enter the amount of Paysafecard credit you want to transfer to PayPal and provide your PayPal email address. Review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and any fees associated with the transfer. If you are satisfied with the terms, confirm the transaction. The website will then provide you with a unique transaction code or instructions to complete the transfer. Follow the instructions carefully and ensure you complete the transaction within the specified time frame. Once the transaction is complete, the funds will be transferred to your PayPal account. It is essential to note that transferring Paysafecard to PayPal may incur fees, and the exchange rate may vary depending on the website you use. Additionally, ensure you are using a reputable website to avoid any potential scams or security risks. In conclusion, transferring Paysafecard to PayPal in London 2025 requires finding a reputable exchange website, creating an account, verifying your identity, and following the transaction instructions carefully. Always research and review the website before making a transaction, and be aware of any fees or exchange rates associated with the transfer.